Now we are going to discuss about 60 degrees. Okay, so the angle 60 degrees, we all know very well, it will come from, yes, in an equilateral triangle we can see the angle, all the angles are 60 degrees. The same property we are using here. So this is O, it's a ray, imagine that is OA is a ray. Now 60 degrees, construction of angle 60 degrees, that is, as you wish, you take any one distance, okay, and draw one arc. Now where the first arc and line are intersecting, place the needle there and cut the before arc. Cut the before arc. Now the reason behind this, I will tell you. Now from the vertex, you now 60 degrees is completed. Okay, the 60 degrees, that is angle AOC is equal to 60 degrees. Now 60 degrees angle I am doing bisector, okay, that is angular bisector. Now from this point where the line and first ray is intersecting, draw an arc, and from the point again where it is intersecting and intersect the previous arc. Now join this line. So 60 degrees we divided into two equal parts. Two equal parts. Then it is D, if you consider. Then angle AOD. Angle AOD is half of 60. The complete angle is 60, is half of 60. That equal to 30 degrees. Is equal to 30 degrees. Now 30 degrees half I am doing. Half of 30. That is the same arc. Okay. From here, from the intersection point, and from here, now where these two arcs are intersecting, I am joining from the vertex O, okay. Suppose if you consider it is as E, then angle AOE, angle AOE is half of 30, 15 degrees. Now 15 degrees I am making into half again. Okay, 15 degrees I am making into half. That is how much? 7.5. See, here I am disturbed the, okay, the gap. No problem. You can find that is the first gap by adjusting your pencil and needle like this. Right? Now see, from this point one arc, from 15 degrees point draw one more arc where these two arcs are intersecting. Okay, you have to take care of at O because many arcs are coming from this point. The point vertex should not be disturbed, and see that the point of intersection also is very clear. Okay, now this point if you consider as F, then angle AOF is equal to 7.5 degree. 7.5 degree. Right? If you want, you can bisect the angle 7.5 also. Okay. Now see, the first one is AOC is 60 degrees. 60 degrees line is bisected into two equal parts, 30 degrees. Okay. Now I am writing all the parts very clearly. Okay, this is how much? 30 degrees. Okay, now 30 degrees, the other left part. What is left here? This part is left. Then this part is divided into two equal parts by green line. Then it is equal to 30 is divided into two parts. Then it is equal to 15 degrees. If it is 15, then the balance is 15. Then the balance is 15. Okay. Now the 15 degree I am dividing into two equal parts. So the last part is equal to, this last part is equal to 7.5 degree. Okay. So 60, 30, 15, 7.5. This complete AOC angle is equal to 60 degrees. From this we constructed 30, 15 and 7.5. Suppose in the examination if they asked construct an angle 15 degrees. So first you should construct 60, good. Next 30, then 15. Okay, directly you cannot construct either 15 or 30 or 7.5. Right? Okay, now we are going to construct an angle 120 degrees. The angle 120 degrees. So how to construct? So 120 degrees is a combination of 90 degrees plus right 30 degrees. If it is O, it is A, OA, 120 degrees is 90 plus 30 degrees. So how to construct 90 degrees? We already learned. So once again I am telling you. Okay. So one arc. Now from this part, draw one arc on the arc, and from here one arc on the arc and above the arc. From this point, okay, from this point, cut the arc. Now joining the line 120 degrees we need, 90 degrees we don't want. So this 90 degrees line should be a dotted line. This 90 degrees line should be a dotted line. So this is 90 degrees. Okay. Now 30 degrees line, how to construct? 30 degrees line, how to construct? So produce this side OA to the other hand side. Okay. Produce. Now we know how to construct 60 degrees, right? 60 degrees ray. That is, I am not going to disturb this. The same I am taken. Okay, one arc from this side. Okay, now from here, now I am drawing one arc. Now from this point you cut the arc, of course it will come there. Now join these two lines. Okay, join these two lines. If you join these two, now look here. if you consider this is B, it is 90 degrees. And this angle is 60 degrees. If it is 90, compulsory other angle should be also 90 degrees. If it is 90 degrees, this part is 60, so this part is 30. Very good. Now I am going to shade this part. Okay, this is 30 and this is 90. 30 plus 90. That angle is 120 degrees. Okay, now see here, angle AOB. Angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. AOB BOC together is AOC. Angle AOC is equal to 120 degrees. Is it clear? Now we are going to construct 150 degrees. Okay, 150 degrees. 150 degrees will come from 90 plus 60 degrees. 90 degrees plus 60 degrees will give you 150 degrees. Now I am joining a line. I am taking a line OA is a ray. Now 90 degrees I am going to construct. So the basic construction is 90 degrees. Okay, the basic construction is 90 degrees, my dear. Now from here one arc, from here above one arc, and here one arc, and here it is one arc. Now I am joining these two, and this is 90 degrees line where we want 150 degrees line. So draw a dotted line. Okay, this is 90 degrees, dotted line. Now 60 degrees I want. Okay, 60 degrees. So 60 degrees means it's an equilateral triangle. I am not going to disturb this. From this point, I am constructing one more ray to here. See this one. This is 60 degrees. Okay, now I am joining these two. Okay, these 2 points. Okay, so this angle is 150 degrees. Angle AOB 90 degrees. Angle BOC 60 degrees. Okay, AOB 90 degrees and BOC 60 degrees. The total is 150 degrees. Angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 90 plus 60. That is nothing but angle AOC is equal to 150 degrees. So here for 90 plus 120, that is 120 degrees and 150 degrees. 150 degrees is 90 plus 60. So this 60 degrees line I Okay, from here one arc is already there. From this point I dropped the arc to here. Whereas for 120 degrees, okay, 120 degrees, here this is one arc, 90 degrees part, and from here one arc, and I am taking the second arc from this point to the arc I considered. Here in 120 degrees, this is 60 degrees, so balance is 30 degrees. 90 plus 30 become 120. In 150 degrees, okay, now from here I took the 60 degrees arc, okay, that is equilateral triangle arc. From here one arc, from here to this side one arc, then this is 60 degrees ray I considered. So 90 plus 60 will become 150 degrees. Okay,